God is so good. He led me to you. I do not deserve to be blessed like this, but His is love endures for us, baby. I know that my heart rests in you. Fear will never overcome our God-centered love. This must be God.